I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then verify the door fuse and remote battery so you're testing the actuator, not power delivery. Next, quietly operate the lock switch while someone watches or you press your ear to the door. Listen for buzzing or clicking. If there's nothing, that's your first clue. While you do this, make sure to note whether other doors respond and mark which door you're diagnosing to stay organized. Once the panel is off, secure it so you can reach the actuator, pull back vapor barrier carefully and expose the connector. You then apply the lock switch while probing the connector with a multimeter. Observe for 12V when commanded, because voltage confirms the circuit is working versus a bad actuator. Next, measure resistance across motor terminals and solenoids. Very high or infinite resistance indicates failure. While testing, cycle the switch several times to watch intermittent behavior, which can reveal wiring or wear issues. You now disconnect the actuator and manually move the lock linkage to ensure nothing is mechanically binding. If the linkage moves freely, the actuator is likely the culprit. If possible, swap in a known good actuator or remove it for a bench test with 12V to confirm motor operation. Once confirmed, reinstall the correct unit, reconnect the harness, and reconnect the battery, then test the lock cycle repeatedly. If it still fails, check for intermittent wiring or PCM locking, commands as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.